Guys, we're at the rink right now with the Erhan. Good. What up, guys? I'm walking to Winners right now. It's like a clothing store. Yeah, and the mall. I'm getting so bored. I'm just gonna walk over there with my friends. Just started walking, and then I'm starting a vlog over here. Starting a vlog. A lot of you guys texted me that you guys like my vlogs and question about when am I gonna upload my vlog. Well, I upload my vlogs around 2 a.m. to 2:30 a.m. So it's gonna be good. What up, guys? I'm in the mall right now with Noah and Mitchell. We're just hanging out and chilling. Yeah, you guys gonna see some good stuff. No, push me. I'll push you.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
I'm a taxi driver. You're in a taxi right now.
Where are we going? How are you?
I don't know. Just drifted. So, I'm with Justin, another Justin.
What's up, boys?
Yeah, pretty chill guys. He's a pretty good kid. Plays basketball.
Yeah, I play basketball.
Yeah,
but you're bad at it. Yeah, I'm freaking horrible.
Mitchell, are you gonna buy that?
Yeah, man.
You look good.
Yo,
That person.
Yo,
Mitchell's looking for some gold stuff. I don't know why he's looking for that.
Oh shit! Like you fit in there. Okay, I'm gonna ask him.
Oh, dude, there's a ghost. There's a ghost.
Yo, it's like.
Yeah, dude, there's a ghost. Look, it's moving the handle. Oh, there's a ghost. Oh my god, there's a ghost. Guys, we're at the rink right now with the Erhan. Good. Oh, you're good now? Pretty fun vlog, eh? Erhan and stuff with Noah and Mitchell and Justin. Yeah, I went to the mall for like some hangout and fun stuff, but we did hangout and we did some fun stuff too, like Erhan pranks. It's pretty good, and a short vlog. Saturday, guys, come on, Saturday, guys. Short vlog matters. It's okay for short vlog, but that's what I think. But if you guys come with me or you just text me to do some stuff, it can be big, because I alone have nothing to do, so I need somebody to vlog with. You know that. But if you guys want me to vlog, like big vlogs, you gotta text me. We gotta do something. Then we can do something. And it's snowing right now. It's so bright. It's so bright. Hashtag vlog, dude. Here we go. Thanks for watching, guys. How do you like it? Let me know in the comments down below. Subscribe and smash the like button. Smash it. Don't break your phone screen. Just kidding. If you break it, then you're responsible about that. I'm not. See you guys later. You can see my previous vlogs. My violence peeking over here. See you guys tomorrow.